Hi Shay, I hope I can get this described for you well enough to get you going. So, your problem is this. I'll show you the three component parts that make up what's on each end of the gas hose. So, what we have down here is we'll call a barb, and there's the swivel nut, which goes over the top of that, and then this is the ferrule or the olive. So this is before it's been pressed and is in a position to hold the hose. So that goes on there. So you can imagine how you don't want to cut straight through the hose because the top of that barb will be showing. So I've got some old hose here. What you've got is this, and you're trying to get it back to just the bare metal state, which looks like that. With what I used was the small angle grinder. So any way you can do some cutting. It doesn't have to be the angle grinder, but you want to cut the side of that olive, that ferrule, away, and then you will just prise it off with a pair of pliers. So now you're back to just the bare fittings, which I had here somewhere. Shorten the hose, reinstall the nut and the barb. And what I would suggest right now is, because you don't have an olive anymore, use a small hose clamp. And if you don't have small hose clamps, you'll find them on the units themselves. We'll go up here. So these are the hose clamps I use on the fuel hose in many locations. So in the short term, you could rat a couple of those and use those instead of the olives. You won't have any fuel problems because it's too low a pressure to be an issue.